Hello, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So how do you make AI covers for song? We're talking about images that you could use for your covers, especially if you are, a self-developing artist. So AI definitely helps a lot. So AI generator, image generator, this is a site that I'm fond of. It's the AI image generator by Google. Go ahead, click that, because all you have to do on this one is just basically type in the image that you'd like to generate. So I've already made an account here. So let's say, for example, I'd like a photo cover of a guitar, basically for tutorial purposes, and there you go. It shows you the exact images you just typed in, and that's what I love about this application. Okay, so that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day. I hope this video is of any help.